Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacks the Goddess, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. So a couple of days ago on Instagram, I participated in a giveaway from a black-owned business known as Heavenly Candle Co. If you haven't heard about them, go check them out. I'll have their Instagram and their Facebook in the description of this video. But they're doing a giveaway for a set of theirs, and the box smells amazing already, so I'm just ready to open it up and actually physically be able to put the stuff to my nose and smell it. But there was a candle, a body butter, a body scrub, and a aroma bag, and a misting spray. I'm in a linen closet spray, but the box smells so good. And look at the packaging, it's so cute. Heavenly Candle Co. all over the box. It has fragile on it, and it came in one day. After I gave her my address, it was a one-day process for me to get to the box, for the box to get to me. So let's just cut this open, and I'm gonna hide my address so you guys can't see it. I don't want y'all popping up at my house. I really wanted to open it yesterday because my girlfriend was like, I'm ready to light the candle, open it, it smells so good. But I had to get my real first impressions for this video. So now that the label is off, and you guys can't see any information, like I said, it smells so good already. Big things come in small packages, so let's get prepared for what's inside. So we're gonna just open the box, and right off the bat there is a sticker that says thank you on it. Thank you. I didn't think I was gonna win the it's a card in here. Hold on. Ooh. So this is, let me turn my light down just a little so you guys can see. This was at the top of the box. Let's put that light back where it was. So inside it comes with a card that has safety tips on it, and it's a thank you note. It says thank you for your order. Tag us at Heavenly Candle Co. www.heavenlycandle.com. And it has safety tips, how to trim your wicks, the time to light your candles. It just has a bunch of good information on this card. So at the top of the box is the aroma bag, and it says great for car, closet, and drawers, not edible. I'm most likely gonna throw this in my car because I have a problem and it gets me in trouble. So this is gonna save me, and let's just open it so I can smell it. It smells good already, like this whole box smells so good. So, it smells like pineapples. I like this. I'll give you guys an update on how long the smell lasts, but it smells really good. It makes me want to go out for drinks and sit on the beach and like relax. Next in my box is sugar scrub cubes. They're pineapple. This is what they look like. It says to use, break off 1 or 2 cubes, wet, squish in hand, and gently scrub in circular motion onto desired areas. This is really good for like exfoliating and getting dead skin off your body, so you can feel really soft and smooth like a baby. And this is just what it looks like, and once again, everything smells amazing. Next up is the linen and room spray in the scent pineapple. Everything in the box is pineapple. I believe is from the last collection that dropped, and nothing spilled out. Well, no, it did spill a little bit, but not too much for me to complain about, honestly. The packaging is really cute. This is 2 ounces, and I'm just gonna, just a little bit spilled, but that's normal. I'm just gonna spray it in the air. And so you know, like the feeling when you first open a can of soda, like the tss, it gives you like that, but pineapple Fanta-ish, but better. It's just, you have to try it yourself. Like, I could tell you all day that it smells amazing, but until you go and actually smell it yourself, you will understand what I'm talking about. And look at the packaging. It's so cute. It looks like whipped cream. If only I could eat it, I would. This is a body butter, and it's 4 ounces, and it's pineapple. And I'm just gonna put on some now because my hands are a little dry. And ooh, this is really, really, really scented. So I'm assuming by the consistency, but what the consistency looks like is like icing. Ooh. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on some, and it melts so effortlessly, and the moisture retention is amazing. When I go get my girlfriend, she gonna want to eat me. Like, I'm gonna smell like a snack in real life. I love this. I'm actually gonna have to like place an order now because this is amazing. And here is the candle. Ooh, look, it's so pretty. You see the colors in it, and at the bottom there's like the little details of the stuff that's on the inside. This is a premium soy wax candle, handmade with love, from Atlanta, Georgia, and it has everything on the front, and the flavor is juicy pineapple. The top is yellow, which is really cute. And you can see like a little pineapple inside of the candle. This is really, 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 really nice. And I think that's all, you guys. The bottom is just bubble wrap, so nothing will break on the way here because it is glass. But I really like this package. It's really, 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 really nice, and everything smells super, super good, and I'm really excited. So if you guys are interested in any of the items that I featured in this video today that I talked about, go tell them that I sent you, and that, you know, you want to smell the pineapple and all the other flavors that they have to offer, because you will not be disappointed. Like I said, this is a Black-owned business, and it's owned by Black women, so go support them. And without any further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.